Right, this is a how-to guide on how to activate and deactivate the child lock on your Electrolux Time Manager washing machine. So what you need to do first is select the program you wish, select the options that you want. As you can see here, we're selecting a delicate spin and we've reduced the spin to 500 RPM. We're going to now press options, and press down until you get to child lock. Press OK. Push the up and down buttons together for 5 seconds to unlock the machine. Press OK. Press back, and now you can start the machine. What you won't be able to do right now is pause the machine, or change the options, and all you get is that information. You can even turn it off and turn it back on to the wrong program, and it will continue its program, but it also keeps coming up with please turn the program selector to the last few position. To unlock it, what you actually have to do is use the up and down arrows simultaneously for 5 seconds. Comes up with machine unlocked. It still say please turn the program select to the last few position, so we will. And now you're able to pause the machine and it will automatically unlock. Then you can also change the options and resume the cycle. The child lock is now not on at all. To reactivate the child lock, you have to go back into the options menu and you have to select it before you press start. The upshot of this child lock is also that the machine will remain locked, the door will remain locked, and the program selector will remain locked until it's unlocked, even after the machine has finished. So there you go, that is how to operate, lock and unlock the child lock feature on your Electrolux Time Manager washing machine. Thank you for watching, I hope you found this video helpful.